Good day, beautiful people. I am Justina and welcome back to my channel DIY Natural Skincare. So today I would like to share with you, again, a simple recipe, a DIY massage bars, which requires only a few ingredients. So what we're gonna need? I have in here weighted out already 80 grams of unrefined cacao butter, which just smells like chocolate. I really love cacao butter. It's really good for your skin. It's moisturizes your skin and it's perfect for very dry skin. So in here I have unrefined cacao butter. The sun is just here. Then I have weighted out at 15 grams of organic coconut oil. Okay, coconut oil is here. If you want, you can choose some other oil to use. I choose the coconut oil together with unrefined cacao butter and grapefruit essential oil, just because I love this three combo of this grapefruit, unrefined cacao butter, and coconut oil. It's just the smell. It's divine for me. It's divine. So organic unrefined cacao butter, organic coconut oil, grapefruit essential oil, and vitamin E. And to have this kind of massage, I will use coffee beans. Smells lovely. I will use coffee beans, and as well you're gonna need for that some silicone molds. So I have in here little flowers or a little cupcakes, like we'll see which ones I will use. Anyways, so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna add my coconut oil into cacao butter, and I'm gonna just put in a double boiler, and I'm just gonna melt everything out. So now let's melt the coconut oil and cacao butter completely. While my butter and oil is melting, I'm just gonna add some of the cacao beans in these little flowers. I think I will have enough for 2 flowers. Well, so everything is melted now. I'm just gonna put aside to leave it to cool it off for a while. Before adding essential oils, I must check the temperature and make sure that it's less than 40 degrees. As you see, it's 55, 60. So just have to let it cool off, the butter and the oil. Make sure till it will be less than 40 degrees before I will add essential oils and vitamin E. Okay, so it's been a good couple minutes, and now it reached just about 40 degrees Celsius before we adding our sensitive ingredients, which is vitamin E and essential oils. Okay, so now I just need to wait it out. Okay, we're turning the scales, and I'm gonna add 3 grams of vitamin E oil. 3 grams, that's it. And 2 grams of grapefruit essential oil. As well as usual, feel free to switch to any of your other oils instead of coconut oil and any of your other favorite essential oils. Just for this recipe, make sure you are using about 80%, about 70-80% minimum of unrefined cacao butter if you don't want to use wax in your massage bar. And 2 grams of grapefruit essential oil. Yes, 2. Okay, mixing everything together now. So only few super natural ingredients here for your massage bars. So these massage bars are really good to use straight after your shower, your bath, and the thing is that these massage bars will dissolve in the contact with your skin. So don't worry about that, and they are really good for traveling or bringing anywhere with you. And yes, So I'm just gonna leave them aside to harden it. It's gonna take a good few hours. If you want to put it fast, leave it in the fridge or even freezer. So I see you in a while. Well, hello, welcome back. It's been a few hours here and I have it in here. So let's take it out. Okay. And yes, so two little flowers. One is tulip. I love the smell. I love this combo of this unrefined cacao butter with coconut oil and grapefruit. It's such a divine smell. Really try this combo, guys. Of course, as I mentioned before, you can use your own different essential oils as well. Substitute the oils, any of the other oils as well. So try to use minimum 70 or 80% of the cacao butter, and you can use another butter, mango butter or shea butter. Oh, I love the smell. Look at this. So use them straight after shower or after the bath, yeah, while your body is still kind of moist, yeah, wet, half wet, and just place it in here, massage it your body with this little massage bar. So these are really cool massage bars which requires only these 3 ingredients. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I see you next week. Bye.